How to make up to $150 for a report that you can generate in 1 minute. This is my SEO Branders review. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, and again this is my SEO Branders review. Now this is an amazing piece of software that will generate different sorts of SEO audits and reports, and you can charge anywhere from $15 to $150 per report, and again it will be generated in under a minute. So this is something amazing, especially if you're just starting out with making money online. This is actually something that I've been doing back in like 2012, 2013. I was using a different tool to generate these reports, but it's very, very similar. All you have to do is just get the URL from your buyer, you copy and paste it, you get the report, you send the report back, and you are done. You're gonna make, anywhere from $15 to $150 for these reports. And actually with this tool, with SEO Branders, you'll be able to generate multiple reports. I'm going to show you everything in a second. It also has a article rewriter, so that's an additional gig. So you can make a ton of money with this, and you don't need to know about anything, nothing about SEO, nothing technical. You don't need any experience. So this is perfect for any newcomers when it comes to making money online. Okay, so let me share my screen and let's jump into it. Oh, and by the way, I'm gonna have a huge $500 bonus, which will include software, plugins, and my exclusive bonus on how to make money on Fiverr and how to actually sell these reports on Fiverr. Okay, you're gonna get this bonus from nowhere else but myself. Okay, let me share my screen with you and let's go through Fiverr first. Okay, so as you can see, I typed in SEO audit and people are charging, $5, $15, $150. This is for a specific SEO audit with negative SEO backlinks, and SEO Branders will actually generate a report like this. So, for a simple report, you can get $5 or $15. For the more complete report, up to $150, and you'll be able to generate both. As you can see, $100 here, $25 here, $50 here. So and people are selling this, so it's not like these listings are up and no one is buying these. As you can see, this guy sold 1,000 reports for $15, so he made a ton of money just by generating a report in under a minute. Okay, so that's just one gig that you can do with SEO Branders. Another one, rewriting articles. The idea is the same. You just take an article, copy and paste it, it rewrites it for you, and as you can see, people are charging a ton of cash for it as well. $40, $5, $60, $15, so anywhere from $5 to $60, and simply for rewriting an article. And again, this is done automatically, so you don't have to actually write anything. This is all done for you. So let's check out the sales page. Okay, so as you can see, it says SEO Branders finally cracked, launch a fully fledged SEO business at the push of a button with this simple yet powerful cloud-based app. The best part, you don't even have to know anything about SEO to be making huge sales with this. So this is the most important part. You don't need to know anything about SEO. This tool does all of this for you. So you can obviously use this to rank on the page on the first page of Google in no time. But this is if you have a website, if you want to rank your videos, etc. You can do this for other people and charge them for it. You can make $200 to $400 and a net profit on every sale. It's a cloud-based app, so nothing is to install. You're gonna get a commercial license built in, which means that you don't have to pay extra for this license, and you can sell these SEO services. No monthly fees, one-time price, and this is actually a super low price of under $20. We're gonna go through all of the pricing in a second. Okay, so they got some, I showed you the Fiverr proof, they got some proof as well. $440 for an SEO audit, up to $1,000 on different sites. So Fiverr is just one site. You can sell these on SEO Clerks, on Conquer, on Legit, on Freelancer, on Upwork, a bunch of different websites. Fiverr is the cheapest one, so just keep that in mind. Like $15 to $150. This is the low one. You can charge much more for this SEO audits. Scrolling down, they will have a little demo right here. I'm going to have the same demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel, so you can check it out. Some testimonials right here. And again, SEO Branders, this is the name of this product. This is my SEO Branders review, and I'm going to show you my bonus in a second. Scrolling down, you can go through all of this in your own time. Obviously, 30 days money back guarantee and a FAQ in the end. That's all that you'll see on the sales page, and the inside of the members area looks like this. So as you can see, we have a bunch of different tools here. We have the rewriter, we have the website auditor, visitor tracker, keyword auditor, link auditor, backlink auditor, SEO tools, which means you have a bunch of different tools included. So a malware checker, meta tag generator, ping. That's an additional gig in itself. Plagiarism checker, URL encoder and decoder, a bunch of different tools. You get the IP auditor and a bunch of different tools as well. So I'm just going to show you 3 different tools that will make you money instantly with these reports. Obviously, every single one of these is a separate gig on Fiverr, is a separate service that you can sell to people. Okay, so first of all, we have the rewriter. All you have to do, as you can see, is paste your content below and then submit to do the rewriting. So copy and paste any article, then click on rewrite, and you're gonna get a rewritten version. Send it back to your customer and charge, again, anywhere from $5 to $60. Super easy, copy and paste easy. Okay, so this is just one tool. Then we have the website auditor. As you can see, I already ran it for my blog. So all I have to do is just copy and paste the URL. I did it for artofmarketingblack.com, and you're getting a report. All you have to do is download this report, send it to your buyer, and you're done. So that's the second tool. The third tool, as you can see, we have the link analyzer. Now this is the kind of a report that you can charge up to $150 for. So this is the more advanced report. As you can see, you're getting all the links and everything else. This is a super detailed report. So again, you can just download it, send it back to your client, charge up to $150 for it. It's super detailed. It's it's different from the normal just website audit. This is a deep backlinks report, and this is the number 3 tool. As you can see, you have a bunch of different tools that you can use, that you can charge for, that you can create gigs with, that you can create simple services on a bunch of different freelancing websites. So the sky is the limit with SEO Branders. You can just make so much money. And again, just do me a favor, go to fiverr.com, type in SEO audit, type in SEO report, type in rewriting articles, and see how much people are charging for these kind of services, how many of them they are selling. So I will write and rewrite articles and blog posts. 297 gigs sold, so pretty crazy. You can do all of this and much more with SEO Branders. As you can see, you have all of these tools right here. So that's the inside. Obviously, you're gonna get some SEO training as well included. And right now, let's go through all of the upsells. So as you can see, SEO Branders will be $16.93. This is a crazy low price. You can make this money back with just one SEO report. So buy SEO Branders, go to Fiverr, start a gig, and by the way, my bonus will show you exactly how to do it. And with just one gig, you're gonna make your money back. Everything else from this point on is just pure profit. Crazy, right? No monthly fees. So $16.93 is a super crazy low price. Then we have SEO Branders Pro for $37, and this will be let me show you this on my website right here. This upgrade allows you to access all features with all unlimited plus commercial use of reports, plus you're getting access to 20 plus additional SEO features. So just more features for $37. Obviously this is optional and you'll be fine with the main product alone, but this is something additional that will make you even more money in the long run. And then SEO Branders agency license for $57, which means that you can sell this product as your own and keep 100% on all 3 of these. As you can see, I'm getting 50% commissions as an affiliate if you're going to get the agency upsell for $57, you're gonna get 100% on all 3 of these, okay? And as I mentioned in the beginning, I'm gonna have a huge $500 bonus, and the most important is this one right here, the first one, Fiverr Income Secrets. This is my exclusive W's of the Day course that explains how to sell SEO reports on Fiverr. Okay, so everything from creating your Fiverr account, creating your gig, optimizing your gig, making more money with the upsells, what to do after you sold the gig, etc. Okay, so everything is covered inside Fiverr Income Secrets. This is a W's of the Day awarded course, and it is no longer available for sale. So this is, if you want to get it, you have to get SEO Branders, and you're gonna get it as a free bonus from myself. Okay, so this will explain everything you need to know that when it comes to making money on Fiverr with SEO reports or anything else for that matter. Okay, so this is only the first bonus. I have some software bonuses for you. I have Control Press, which is a software. We have software number 2, VidPix Pro. We have Logo Studio, software number 3, and each and every single of these is an additional Fiverr gig for, so we can just make a ton much more money. Software bonus number 4, VidConnect. Then we have Vid Promo Pages. Then we have Facebook Vidmatics. So we are getting a total of 6 softwares. Then 12 additional softwares, plugins, and courses. So we get Local SEO Leverage, New Age SEO, Black Hat SEO, Traffic Explosion, Backlinks Basic, Get Google Traffic, 10 Steps Auditing SEO, SEO Skills Mastery, Traffic Inclination, Product Creation Formula, Targeting Instagram Video Course, Recurring Income Course, and 8 additional softwares and courses. Udemy Profits, that's additional. A part of Fiverr, you can do this on Udemy. Video opt-in, blog book, buzz machine, flash pages, link tweets, scarcity log, squeeze question. You're getting a total of 27 bonuses worth $600 in real life. And again, the most important one is this one right here, Fiverr Income Secrets. This will show you exactly how to make money with these SEO reports on Fiverr today. So you can set up a gig today, you can start selling, and you'll make at least $15 to $150 per gig. Crazy, right? So guys, SEO Branders will be going live today on the 28th of June at 11 a.m. Eastern. Make sure to show up early to grab it with an early bird for just $16.93, a crazy low price. You're gonna get all of my bonuses, so $600 worth of bonuses from myself for free, just as a thank you for picking up SEO Branders through my link. If you enjoyed this SEO Branders review, please give it a like on YouTube. Please leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I will be seeing you in the next video. And actually the next video will be the demo video of SEO Branders, so I will include that too, both on my blog and on my YouTube channel. So check out both and make sure to pick up SEO Branders today through my link, and I will see you in the demo video. Ciao.